Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and please consider subscribing to join me in Livyland. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for following me on my adventures. On this channel, my focus will be on cash planning, envelope stuffing, savings challenges, and cash condensing. If this is of interest to you, please keep watching. My name is Jolene, and I want to welcome you into my world of Livyland. I live in Washington State with my husband and toddler daughter, Olivia, aka Livy. Why Livyland? My Livy is the center of my heart and soul. I consider this her world that I get the honor of being part of. Hence, I live in Livyland. So today's video is a Happy Mail unboxing. I hope this is going to be a short but brief video, but I did want to show everyone what I have recently ordered. I did unbox, so I did order from the Remarkable Dollar, and I failed to do an unboxing, but in one of my savings challenge videos, you will end up seeing that I have incorporated her one of her savings challenges. But I did order her linen dashboard here, and you can see the Remarkable Dollar there. But Ray, I laminated mine to help protect it, so I hope you don't mind, but I just really wanted to keep it protected. And so this beautiful dashboard is in this is my wallet actually. So I will have her Etsy shop linked in the description box below if you do not know her shop or her channel. And then I have three different items here, or three different packages that I'm going to go ahead and unwrap. I have not unwrapped these. The only thing that I did was open the top just so that I wasn't struggling with it on video. I do have one more package coming, but I am getting impatient and I just want to open these ones. So when that other package arrives, I will either do its own video or incorporate it in with another one of my videos. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of set these ones aside, and we're going to go ahead and do this first package. So this first one is from Savings with Grace. Now I did reach out to Grace. She is one of my friends here, and I have ordered 2 of her cash trays, and then I also know that she does other types of trays, like a flower I believe is in her shop, and a leaf. So I reached out to her to find out if she could do a heart tray for me, because my Livyland logo does have a heart on it. So this is one of my logos here. So I wanted to find out if she could somehow make a heart that I could have in my videos to keep paper clips in, or just a small trinket tray. So let's see what she came up with. She did send me a picture of it, so I do know a little bit what it looks like, but I have not yet seen it in person. So here we go. And I have a slightly different setup today because I am standing up so that I can make sure that I can bring the package and the contents up to show you guys. So let's see here. So she always has such cute packaging. And I am not the most graceful when it comes to opening these, so I do apologize if I rip into it ungraciously or like a Neanderthal. So let's see here. And so she always sends really cute paper clips, and then she always provides really cute stickers, which my Livy usually takes these from me and she puts them on the back of her iPad case. So the back of her case, I believe, is stickers from Grace and from Angela with MSO Budget. So ladies, that's where your stickers go, is to my Livy. All right, and then she does have her Let's Connect, and then her YouTube, as well as Instagram, and then she is on Etsy as well. Oh, cute. And then she sent me this cute savings challenge, so I'll go ahead and put this in my savings challenge binder. And then she does have a dog that looks like this, Bobby Wasabi. So cute. And so she says, thank you, Jolene. And then she says, hey girl, thanks so much for your order. Your support means the world. So happy I got to make this for you. It is so cute. I had to make one for myself. Oh God, she didn't tell me that. So I am happy that I could bring about an idea to her shop. And so let's see here. Let's open it up. Oh, I do like that she took special care of this. Let me grab some scissors. All right. And she always packages things really well to make sure that they are protected. I do appreciate that about her packaging. Okay. Trying to pay attention to my frame to make sure that I stay in frame. Okay. Oh, I'm getting so excited. And then, oh, look at it. It is perfect. It is absolutely perfect, Grace. Thank you so, so much. So you guys are going to be seeing this in my videos for my Livy Land logo. And look, it just is going to hold small items like this. Of course, my Livy will end up taking this. But look at that. It's just so perfect. Aww. Livy, look. Come over here. Don't get in the camera. Come on. Come over this way. Come over here. Look. Isn't it so cute? Say thank you, Grace.
Thank you, Grace.
Okay, go back over there. Mommy got to finish. Okay, so we're going to set this here so that it can stay, because it is going to continue to be in my videos. Okay, let's move this aside. Thank you so much, Grace. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. And the next one here is from Norelis Budgets. And this is my first time ordering from her, and I just had to because I always hear her name, her channel. I do subscribe to her channel, but I just had to order. Also, she was doing a 25% off sale, but I try to support as many of your channels as I possibly can, and I was even doing that before I started my own YouTube channel, because I think this community is just so great, so supportive, and I just had to be part of it. So let's see here. I know I didn't order this many things. Let's see. Oh, look at this. So this just lists off her Instagram, her YouTube, and Etsy. But again, I will have things linked down in my description box. Let's see. This here is just what I ordered. I'm going to take this off camera for a second. Oh, and she just promises that she will make sure to subscribe to my channel and watch me save. So again, it just goes back to show that this community is just so supportive of one another, and why I had to be a part of it. So she does provide these cute little stickers here. Again, probably will find its way into my Livy's hands. So, oops. I'm going to put these over here. Okay, and then I did order these tiny savings challenges. They are so adorable. So, so cute. Okay. And then I do love Hello Kitty. Look at that, so adorable. Okay, and then this goes along with the tiny savings. So it's just a little insert for the envelope to keep these in. So you guys will eventually see these in my savings challenge binder. And then we have a scratch off with some clouds. So fun fact, when Livy was first born, her nursery was You Are My Sunshine theme. So how fitting. And then I did order the coffee fund because I thought these little icons were so adorable. And then I do love coffee, so this definitely will help towards my fund. And then Better Days Ahead. Oh, I don't like cats necessarily, but this cat's cute. I don't like cats, but I love Hello Kitty. Go figure. All right, and Save for Rainy Days. And then the little rainy day fund that goes in front of it to go with the challenges. So, oops, let me flip these around. So all the items, again, from Norella's budgets. Oops. And then I will have everything linked in the description below. Okay. Move this. Okay, and then the last one, I haven't heard of, at least with the channels and stuff that I subscribe to and I routinely watch, I haven't heard of this shop. Her things were beautiful, so I had to order, and her shop is Creating Stacy, and she just has a cute Halloween themed thank you for supporting my small business. Okay. Yes, my Livy is up with me. It is actually late at night. She fell asleep late from a nap, and so she woke up and she's up with me. So I figured since we're awake, I might as well film. All right, so this is her shop here, Creating Stacy. And it says personalized budgeting. And then on here, it shows her email, and then I didn't realize she had a website, but then here it does show her Instagram, TikTok at Creating Stacy. And again, I will have her Etsy shop linked below on where I found these items. All right, and then she does have a cash breakdown sheet. This is reusable, nice quality, laminated. All right. And then we have a tracker here. You get to select your own category, the goal, and then times 40, and you get to set how much each heart is. But just beautiful. And then I did get some scratchers because I did like how the background of these were different. So I don't have anything like this in my savings challenge binder, but I chose this rainbow one and then plaid of the pink because pink for my Livy Land kind of goes with my theme. And then I did like that there was this black plaid background, but I chose the 50, 75, and 100. All right. And then this is actually what caught my eye for her shop, was this gorgeous like rainbow, sorry about the glare, but just I was looking for something because I had recently completed my monthly yearly savings, and so I wanted something with a higher dollar amount, and I just thought this was absolutely beautiful. And then the hearts that go with my Livy Land theme. And I like savings challenges that tell me how much to save versus like the tracker method. I do these from time to time, but I like the ones that there's a different dollar amount because to me it makes it more fun. It doesn't seem redundant or just repetitive over and over. So I thought this was gorgeous with the envelope and the fact that the challenge is built right into the envelope. So I will be incorporating this definitely. And then this here is just thank you. This is such a nice thank you card. And then, so again, it's creating Stacy. All right, and so that was the Happy Mail that I got. And so I am awaiting one more order, potentially 2 more orders. And then when I get those, I will go ahead and share that because again, I do like to show support for others. Even though I have my own Etsy shop, I still like to purchase from other people. I do like to make my own savings challenges and different material. And one thing that I do need to do is incorporate my own to kind of promote myself as well amongst other things that I am sharing and supporting. So thank you, ladies. Truly, these are beautiful items and I will be incorporating them into my videos. So please like, subscribe, share, come join me, comment below. But thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video, which will be my first paycheck of October. So thank you so much. Bye.